This video demonstrates how to change the system language on your Seat Leon, covering both the display and infotainment system. We'll focus on models from 2020 onwards, M4, with the MIB3 infotainment system, which offers seamless language switching. Changing the language is a straightforward process accessible through the touchscreen interface. First, ensure your Seat Leon is in park. Access the main menu via the touchscreen. Navigate to Settings, then System, and finally select Languages. This path might slightly vary depending on your Leon's infotainment system version, but the core concept remains the same. A list of available languages will appear. Choose your preferred language from the list, such as English, German, French, Arabic, Chinese, or Hindi. The system supports over 30 languages as of 2026, thanks to recent updates. Select the language you want to use. After selecting the language, confirm your choice. The system may prompt you to restart for the changes to fully apply. This restart is essential for the new language settings to propagate throughout the system, including menus, apps, and voice control functionalities. Be patient. It may take 1 to 2 minutes. The display language affects the car's menus and settings, controlling how basic functions appear on the dashboard. The infotainment language covers apps, navigation, and audio features on the touchscreen. Some settings sync automatically, but voice commands may require separate configuration, especially for features like Amazon Alexa integration in newer models. Looking ahead, expect AI-driven auto-detection of driver language via smartphone data or voice biometrics in future Leon models. Over-the-air updates will enable seamless language pack additions without dealership visits. These trends reflect the increasing digitization and globalization of automotive interfaces. Changing the language on your Seat Leon is generally a straightforward process. Remember to keep your system updated, and if issues arise, consult your owner's manual or the My Seat app. With the right steps, you can easily customize your driving experience to your preferred language.